Good evening. Legal experts tell 2 News they think the 20-plus charges the state is throwing at Ryan Bate, the accused killer of Tremonton officers, is an indication they do not want a plea deal. Thanks for joining us for 2 News at 5 tonight. I'm Heidi Hatch.
And I'm Brian Schneen. Natalie Wattis spoke with a legal expert and joins us live from the Weber County Jail tonight, where Bate is being held. Natalie, what else have you learned?
Well, Brian, Heidi, I'm told that the state doesn't actually have to announce that they're seeking the death penalty so soon, but the fact that they have signals just how seriously they're taking this case.
My name is Judge Spencer Welsh. Are you Ryan Michael Bate?
Yes, Your Honor.
Does that signal to you that maybe the prosecution is seeking some kind of a deal, some kind of a plea, because they're throwing so many charges at this defendant?
I see it probably as the opposite with them reopening this case.
25 charges in all against Ryan Michael Bate, ranging from 2 capital offenses of aggravated murder to misdemeanor property damage from a previously dismissed domestic violence case. The Utah Domestic Violence Coalition says that original case from May of 2024 had all the indicators of a highly lethal situation already.
I am, of course, happy that this case is being reopened. Unfortunately, it is too little too late for the families that have been devastated.
Criminal defense attorney Sky Lazaro is not affiliated with this case. Lazaro says she's not surprised by the number of charges and that bringing back that old case is telling.
I see the reopening of the old case kind of going more towards how serious they're taking this case instead of maybe if we just charge him with a whole bunch of things, he'll plead.
The state also officially signaled their intent to pursue the severest punishment Bate could face.
You are hereby on notice that they are seeking the death penalty for counts 2 and 3, aggravated murder.
The state actually doesn't have to make that election until after the preliminary hearing. So they've come out very early on and said to us, this is a death penalty case. This is how we're going to prosecute it.
Now, Lazaro also says that death penalty cases typically take more time to prosecute and have more rules associated with them. Now, we expect to see Bate at a status conference again on October 30th. Live in Weber County, Natalie Wattis, KUTV 2 News.
Natalie, thank you. The 2 officers will have their funerals on 2 separate days, both of them next week. First will be a public viewing for both, held off at the Bear River High School, that's in Garland, Wednesday from 3 to 7. Funeral services for both officers will be at the USU Spectrum in Logan. Officer Eric Estrada's funeral is next Thursday starting at 10 a.m. Sergeant Lee Sorensen's funeral is Friday, also at 10 a.m. After the funerals, each officer will be laid to rest in a private burial ceremony. You can stay with 2 News for the very latest on the officers killed in Tremonton. You can read all of our coverage on our website, KUTV.com, and the KUTV YouTube page. Next week, we will have live coverage of both officers' funerals.